Today on my Explorer, we're gonna fix the rear gas shocks on the rear hitch. My wife's banged her head off of that a few times and she's gonna kill me if I don't fix it, so today's the day. Okay, here's my Ford Explorer. Let's do it. And it doesn't, it stays there, but it stops here. My wife has banged her head off of this and me quite a few times. It's a little sketchy. I'm gonna take one of these shocks off at a time. Here are the shocks from Ford. There's that's the right side. See the number 10 there? And this is the left side. Don't ask what the difference is. I have no idea. But that's it. These are the parts. To take these things off, you gotta get yourself one of these tools. These little pick things. Pry on the end and slide the clip back a bit. Yeah, see if I can do this one-handed. Just like that. And up here is actually a little indent. A little indent right there. Get your little tool behind there and just pry open, pry out. Yeah, just like that. Try not to lose those clips because you might need those. Way over here. You might need those. Who knows? That's what the clip looks like. Alright, that should come off now. They are actually marked left and right. I'm sure the aftermarket doesn't mark it that way, but from Ford, right and left. And the left is always the driver's side, and the right is always the passenger side. So I just took off the passenger side, so we're going to install the right one. And here's the old one I just took out. Are the part numbers on here? I don't. Oh yeah, there's the part number right there. There, that's the part number. It does come with the clips from Ford. It does come with the clips. I dabbed a little grease on the pivot points. I'm not sure if it's needed or not, but it can't hurt. Where is it? That was easy. Oh. That's the right side done. Now the left side. You know what? Maybe it's just better taking the whole thing off. Or not. Yeah, look at that. All rusty here. Never noticed that till now. Okay. Everything's the part numbers are faded off of the rod here. Some grease on the pivot points. that was easy. Going in is much easier than coming off. Wow. Yeah, that was easy. Going on. Well, moment of truth. Won't bang my head anymore. The wife is going to be so much happier. Oh well, that wasn't so bad. It was I mean, half an hour would have been more than enough time to do that work. But yeah, it's a very simple job. Anybody, I would say anybody can do it. All you need is a little tool to pry the clips off, and make sure you have the tailgate supported, because once you take the one shock off, the other shock might not be enough to hold the gate up. So you definitely need some kind of support. But other than that, yeah, it's a very, very simple little job that I would say anybody can do. So anyway, I just thought some of you guys might have the same issues as I had, so I thought I would share. Thanks for watching.